Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Ec5 error on Mr. Coffee Maker. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, if you're having this problem here, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. Now, if you're seeing the Ec5 error on your Mr. Coffee Maker, it's usually due to buildup of calcium deposits inside the machine. So to fix this, you need to descale it. So in this case, how do you do it? So first is you want to start by running vinegar solution through the coffee maker. Now just fill the water reservoir with white vinegar and run a brew cycle like you normally would without any coffee grounds. This will help break down the calcium buildup here. Now once you've done that, you'll want to rinse the coffee machine to remove any vinegar residue. Run a couple of cycles with just water or water mixed with a bit of lemon juice to clean out the vinegar completely. Now, if the coffee maker isn't running the vinegar through on its own, you might need to manually clean the components. So you can pour the vinegar into the reservoir and try to start the brew cycle, or focus on cleaning the areas like the water filter or any tubes that might have calcium buildup. Now, to keep the air from coming back, try to descale your coffee maker every few months, especially if you live in an area with hard water. Regular maintenance like this will keep the calcium buildup under control and help prevent the Ec5 error in the future. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at Elan app. Thank you for watching.